In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this simple hack to get someone to subscribe or unsubscribe from a particular group whilst still within your email system. Now, I'm showing you this in Mailerlite, but you can also use this in ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, Simplero, Kartra. So whether your email system is a standalone EMS or as part of your all-in-one system, this same principle will work. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to create a landing page. This is a page that basically says, thank you, I've updated your preferences, and it's going to give you a link. As I say, you can do this in your system, you can do this on your website, it just needs to be a page. And on this page, you're going to say something like, thank you for joining the challenge. So we're going to use this principle for two reasons. First, you may be emailing everyone on your list because you've got an upcoming challenge and you want to invite them to join so that you get the specific emails for that challenge, like URLs, login links, Facebook links, things like that. You may also want to use this same principle to unsubscribe people so they don't hear about the challenge. It may be they want all your other emails, but they're not interested in this thing that you're doing. This principle works for both. So we've created the page and we've got our URL, which we're going to copy, and then we're going to jump over into our automations. Into the automations, and we're going to call it something that makes sense. So something like preferences joined challenge, or preferences no longer wants to hear about challenge. What we're then going to do is we're then going to set up the workflow. We're going to hit the trigger and we are going to do when the subscriber clicks the link, and we're going to pop that link in here. Don't forget to put the HTTPS at the front. So that can be your website page or the one we've got from your landing page. And we're then going to have an action that when that click has happened, that they are then going to be copied to a group. And in here, you're then going to add them to the group that is associated with your challenge, or a group that says no longer wants emails for challenge. So whichever way you want to do it, I'm going to add it to this one. And then what you can do in your emails, if you are doing that doesn't want to hear anymore, when you send a campaign email, just make sure where you've got that group, you hit the exclude button and they're no longer going to get your emails. So this quick and simple hack is going to allow people to join the groups and then get the information they want rather than every bit of information, and they're more likely to stay on your email list.